This series is for fresh chemical engineering graduates who are about to step into the industry. The goal is education only, based on my personal experience and industry best practices. In this 5-part series, we'll break down the essentials of chemical engineering, commonly known as process engineering, by considering whether you're stepping into design engineering or operations. Each episode will help you to see virtually the skills, challenges, and real-world scenarios that define these roles. My name is Faisal, and I've been working in the process industry for over 2 decades. My expertise is in process design, engineering, and project execution. And through these short videos, I want to share real-world knowledge with you. These are 2 very different paths, and understanding them early on can shape your career the right way. Let's break it down. A process engineer is at the heart of any chemical plant, process industry, refinery, or petrochemical processing, ensuring that everything runs efficiently, safely, and economically. But the role isn't one size fits all. Broadly speaking, there are 2 major career paths for process engineers. Either be a process design engineer or becomes a process operations engineer. Process design engineer works in an office or engineering firm where he or she creates P&IDs, process flow diagrams, PFDs, equipment sizing, heat and mass balances, uses software like Aspen HYSYS, HTRI, and many other design simulation tools. The major role is to design new plants or optimizes existing ones. However, process operations engineer works on site at a refinery, chemical plant, or manufacturing unit, monitors plant performance, troubleshooting issues, and optimizing processes, handles startup, shutdown, safety protocols, and compliance, works closely with maintenance, production, and HSE teams. Ask yourself, do you enjoy working on design simulations and engineering drawings, or do you prefer getting your hands dirty on site solving real-time problems? Let's make this easier. Answer these questions. If you love working on software, analyzing data, and planning projects, then design engineering might be for you. But if you prefer diagnosing plant issues, fixing equipment failures, and optimizing production, then you're better suited for operations. Okay, let me put this way. Do you enjoy deep calculations, process modeling, and technical reports? If the answer is yes, go for design. If the answer is no, you might prefer the fast-paced, problem-solving environment of operations. Another way to look at it, do you like being in control of large industrial process, making real-time decisions that impact production? If the answer is yes, operations is your place. If the answer is no, stick to design, where you can work on process optimization and simulation. There's no wrong answer. Both paths are equally important, but making the wrong career choice can lead to frustration. Let's take an example. Case 1. What are the potential challenges that operations engineers could face? As an example, imagine you're working in a refinery and suddenly one of the column loses its operational parameters. You make real-time decisions to prevent production losses. Case 2. What are the potential challenges that design engineers face? As an example, consider you're in an engineering consultancy, tasked with optimizing an existing process unit. You work on upgrading the P&ID to integrate a new control system. The key takeaway from it is that an operations engineer's focus on the present, keeping the plant running smoothly. Design engineers focus on the future, improving and innovating processes. I hope this helped you understand whether you are more suited for process design or operations. It's crucial to decide early so you can focus on learning the right skills and using the right tools. If your approach is to become a process design engineer, the next episode is for you, where I'll talk about how a process engineer thinks systematically, what questions you should ask before solving a problem, and how to approach engineering challenges efficiently. Comment below if you're leaning towards design or operations, and if you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them. And don't forget to follow and stay tuned for episode 2.